With reports of gun violence in St. James, the National Security Minister is seeking to calm the fears of residents, some of whom did not want the state of a public emergency in the parish to end. TVJ's Andrew Ladley explains.
A tense atmosphere in St. James today as residents worry that old habits may be resurfacing in their communities. Since the start of the year up to February 23, there have been 16 murders in St. James, 3 more than the same period last year. Similarly, there were 10 reports of break-ins, 3 more than the same period last year. Shootings have, however, decreased by 42% and robberies by 50%. Residents have therefore been on edge since the state of emergency ended on January 31. National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang told TVJ News today that there is still significant presence on the ground.
The checkpoint at the other playfield and crossroads and the main road is still in place and still fully manned and operational. And in addition to that, we have had 3 daily patrols on 24 basis operating in the community. That's the information I have, and I was able to confirm that by driving to the community and seeing also them at work. So, the public should be assured that we have made an effort to ensure personnel and boots on the ground, in fact, in even a more active way.
Over the last 2 days, at least 3 persons have been killed in the parish. Dr. Chang says one of the killings took place about 200 yards of where a checkpoint was once set up. Speaking at a Young Jamaica conference in St. James on Saturday, Mr. Chang rejected some criticisms regarding detentions under the SOEs. He confirmed that some detainees who were recently released were linked to the upsurge in violence.
The narrative out there is that the Jamaica Labour Party government is sweeping young poor black people off the street and locking them up under state of emergency. That's one of the biggest lies on the street. Nobody is detained unless the police have the intelligence to understand who they're going to detain. Naturally, when they go to a district, some of you are from Montego Bay, they don't pick up 2 people. Because you and I know, if police come to the district and lock up 5 men out of a crew, they're going to kill the other 5 on the street because they're going to forget them, tell the police to come. So police here take up everybody, process some, and they detain some.
In the meantime, the country has recorded a 20% reduction in serious and violent crimes. Accusatory crimes like robberies, break-ins and larceny are also down by 16%. Andrew Ladley, TVJ News.